Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable committee and fellow participants. We are delighted to present our research entitled Improvement Strategy Numerical Literacy Student in Elementary Education. The authors are Teguh Gunawan Bahtiar, Yeti Rosdiana, Akromah, Tuti Rahayuning, and Muhammad Zainal Arifin. The study was conducted by our research team from University of Pakuan, Bogor. Our presentation today align with the ICEE 2025 by theme Advanced Quality Elementary Education through Technology Enhanced Learning to support Sustainable Development Goals. The background are the first, numeracy literacy represent a key competence in 21st century education, preparing students from problem solving and database decision making. PISA 2022, Indonesia ranked 73rd of 79 countries in mathematics literacy. INBK 2022, most students struggle to interpret quantitative information in real context. And then indicated that elementary mathematics education is still focused on procedural learning, not contextual numeracy. This condition suggests the elementary mathematics instruction focus too much on procedure, not contextual or real-life numeracy understanding. Problem statement, effort gaps and research purposes. In practice, teachers often find it difficult to develop numeracy-based contextual problem. And then learning remains dominated by routine and procedural exercise. And then limited teacher understanding, lack of training, and minimal family or community support. And then there is no systematic synthesis comparing strategies to improve numeracy literacy in Indonesian primary school. Research purpose. The objectivities of this study are twofold. And two, the first, identify strategies implemented to improve numeracy literacy in elementary education. Second, analyze their effectiveness through a systematic literature review (SLR) approach, provide recommendation for sustainable context-based numeracy learning. Research method. We adopt the systematic literature review approach because it provides a structure and replicable process for synthesizing prior research. And then we collect 50 scientific articles published from 2018 to 2024. And we meet 31 article criteria focus on elementary level numeracy strategies. And then the instrument we review set covering, identity, strategies, finding, and outcome. The analysis we analysis with thematic descriptive analysis and triangulation among researchers. We are combined but quantitative and qualitative data to generate a holistic understanding of current practices. Data collection and validation. Data we are collect through systematic document search and manual screening. Procedure number one by define inclusion criteria by numerasi elementary level and the year in 2018 2024. Number two, manual screening and independent selection. Number three, coding of learning strategy components. Number four, double reading and inter-researcher triangulation for accuracy. Overview of finding. From the analysis of 31 studies, we are identified five dominant strategies. There are the first, interactive media and educational games. Second, contextual and thematic learning. Third, collaborative and community-based approach. Fourth, differentiated and adaptive learning. Fifth, integration of digital technology. There are the frequency distribution of numerical literacy strategies. Interactive media and game approach most frequently found in 11 article. Contextual and thematic found the 9 article. Collaborative and community found 6 article. Adaptive and differentiated found 3 article. Technology and digital found 4 article. This overview highlights are dominant of hand-on, engaging, and context-driven approach in improving numeracy outcome. These are the detail of the 5 strategies. Strategy 1, interactive media and games. Interactive media and educational game are the most widely implemented strategies. The example, there are spinning wheels, number boards, snake and ladder games by Cahyani et al. 2024. They stimulate visual and kinesthetic engagement. Then transform passive learning into active and joyful participation. And then improve conceptual understanding and motivation. Strategy 2. Contextual and thematic learning. In the contextual and thematic learning, there are connects mathematic content with real life, cultural, and religious context by Stiadi and Mutakin 2024. Encourage meaningful learning, Osubel 1968. Example, project integrating numerasi with local culture or daily activity. Support Sustainable Development Goals 4 is quality education through culturally relevant pedagogy. And then strategy 3, collaborative and community-based. Collaborative and community-based approach engage multiple stakeholders. They are teacher, parents, and community members. Involve teaching campus program, school forum, and parent collaboration. Like kampus mengajar. Ya. There I have successful connected universities with elementary school to promote numeracy culture. And then build a numeracy supportive environment beyond classroom. And then encourage share responsibility between teacher, student, and community. And fourth, promote sustainability and inclusion. And then strategy 4, differentiated and adaptive learning. Differentiated learning addresses student diversity by adjusting content, process, and outcome according to each learner, readiness, and interest. And then encourage engagement across diverse learner profile by Nisa and Darmawan 2024 based on Vygotsky zone of proximal development theory. And then improve learning equity and motivation. Strategi 5. Technology integration. Technology integration is becoming increasingly relevant, especially in the post-pandemic era. Teachers are adopting digital platforms such as GeoGebra, WordWall, YouTube, online quizzes by Putri Salsabila et al. 2024. And then enable flipped classroom and blended learning models and increase flexibility, autonomy, and participation. And then align with technology enhanced learning for sustainable development goals. There are the strategy. Well, in the discussion. In the discussion, the review indicates that no single best strategy. Yeah. Success depend on contextual alignment and teacher readiness. Second, integrative approach combining media, context, and technology are most effective. Third, teacher capacity and systematic support are essential. Fourth, consistent monitoring and community collaboration enhance sustainability. Conclusion. In summary, five strategies have proven effective. They are interactive media, contextual learning, collaborative approach, adaptive by differentiated instruction, and digital integration. This approach complement each other and should be applied integratively. Recommendation. We would to recommendation is are first strengthening teacher capacity training in preparing contextual numeracy learning. Second, integration of community-based strategies. Third, providing a digital platform to support numeracy. Four, education policy need to encourage a interdisciplinary approach based on real experience and culturally sensitive and study needs. Five, further research. Six, testing the effectiveness of combinative strategies by quasi-experiment or PTK. And last, conducted in diverse social and geographical contexts. This is the finish. Yeah. We hope the study provide valuable insight for educator, policymaker, and researcher committed to improving numeracy education in Indonesia and beyond. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.